All right, guys, now up on live break, we have 3 boxes of 2013-14 Panini Playbook Hockey. This one's going out to Hockeyfoo. Hockeyfoo, appreciate the order as always. Good luck on the boxes, and let's see if we get you anything good. Digital Stable, if you want to, if you can, do that here shortly. You guys are going to be my last 2 of the day, just to get all the videos uploaded. So if there's anything else you want, just let me know. And we'll go ahead and get that done for you. First box of Playbook. Feels like a really thick one. All right. We have Jordan Staal, number /249. Autograph card, Matt Carl. First booklet up. We have number /199, Justin Schultz autographed jersey booklet. And next up, we have numbered 4/25 dual rookie. That is going to be a sick hit there. Dual patch booklet, Scott Lawton and Boone Jenner. That is an awesome hit there. Sweet. Starting off the case, or starting off the box right. There we go. Starting off, number /25, Mark Giordano. Jersey card, Alexander Burrows, number /99. And up next, we have number /199, Jonathan Huberdeau. And that will be an autographed jersey booklet. Huberdeau. And on to the last box here. There we go. All right, we have Eric Lindros, number /249. Number /99, Brandon Saad. First round edition, Vladimir Tarasenko. It's a nice hit. And on the back, we have Jordan Eberle, number /100. Jersey auto booklet. That's a really nice card there as well. So nice. So that is a solid break for you there, Hockeyfoo. Again, appreciate the order. We'll get these packed up and out the door for you tomorrow.